planning on selling your home or just want to grow the value of your home? Whether your goal is to renovate your home this year or sell it, I've got 3 ways to increase the value of your home. Stay tuned. How do you do? It's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor here in the Greater Palm Springs region. I record and post content here about the Greater Palm Springs region real estate market and the desert lifestyle because I love what I do and I believe knowledge is power. Check back because I upload new content every Wednesday. With all of us spending more time at home these past 2 years, it's not surprising that many of us looked at the competitive housing market and consider buying a new place. Some of us, though, stayed exactly where we were, remodeling instead to make the most of the homes we know and love. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to continue to grow the value of your home investment, there are many steps you can take to increase the value of your home. Here are 3 proven strategies that can pay dividends when it really comes time to sell. Number 1, update your home's finishes. Superficial changes can make a bigger impact on buyers than more intensive renovations. Believe it or not, many real estate agents rave about the difference a fresh coat of paint can make, especially given the low cost of this upgrade. Some experts argue that a fresh coat of paint throughout your house can increase the home's value by as much as 5%. Wow! Other simple upgrades, from replacing old light fixtures to changing out your front door, can also give your home a nice bump in value. Number 2, upgrade the energy-efficient features of appliances. Energy-efficient upgrades reduce your utility bills while you own the home. When it comes time to sell, these upgrades will also offer more appeal to buyers, many of whom are interested in energy-efficient features to lower their own costs as homeowners. If your home currently features old appliances that guzzle energy and date your interiors, an upgrade, even if it's installing modestly priced modern appliances, can help you net a higher sales price. And number 3, freshen up your curb appeal. Simple landscaping features such as new plants and fresh mulch can help your home make a great first impression. These changes don't cost much, and you can do many of them on your own. Both potential buyers and appraisers will be influenced by this visual impact. I have a separate video where I talk about curb appeal. I will put the link in the description. And our bonus tip: use a fresh coat of paint to revive worn spots. Is your home looking a little worn inside or out? A do-it-yourself paint job carries a low cost for materials, but it can have a big impact on the eye appeal of your home. Whether you're painting your living room, bedrooms, or even just the front door of your home, a bright coat of paint can make old surfaces look brand new and adds an instant charm to your home. Selling the home can be a great way to pocket some profits after taking good care of that property as your equity grows. With some simple, budget-friendly tricks to beautify and update your home, you can push that potential sales price and your earnings potential to its upper limit. Now for something to tickle your funny bone. I made the mistake of offering my realtor some Lipton iced tea. I forgot that he only drinks real tea. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home here, I'd love to speak to you one-on-one. Just click the contact link in the description. I promise there's no cost or obligation. Hey, please also like and comment on my video and subscribe if you haven't. Also, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking to buy or sell here. And now, watch my next video about the pros and cons of living in Cathedral City. Realtor here in the... Pick my nose. Will evolve pretty competitive housing market to look for.